Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today is July the 17th, 2022. Right now we're looking at several different stages of ripening regarding the pineapples. This stage right here, this one is not ready to pick, but we had to go ahead and pick it because it had fallen over like this and snapped the stalk right there on the bottom. So that's why you see this one up here. However, that one was not ready to pick. You want about 50% of the green to be gone and the rest of it to be 50% yellow before you pick. Or go and smell it. If it starts to smell sweet, that's when you pick. This one definitely would have been ready to pick. This one is actually almost, I'd say it's 90% of the way ripe. So maybe 2 or 3 more days and that one will be ripe and ready. Same thing with this one. This one's pretty far along. It's almost ready to chop up and eat. This one here is, I would say, 97% of the way. This one is, you could pretty much chop this one up right now and it'd still be really good and sweet. Same thing with this one. But what I would like to do is make sure that all of the green between the cracks here is gone before I start chopping these up. That way I can get the maximum sweetness from these. So once they're 100% yellow, then start cutting it. So these two probably have 1 more day and they'll be ready. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of our pineapple patch. You have a great day.